Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, where we make learning English easy, exciting, and full of big dreams. I'm Emma.
Yo, yo, yo! What's up, Emma? What's up, everybody? Welcome to the show.
Rahul, yo, yo, yo. Why are you talking like that? And why are you wearing that baseball cap backwards?
I am getting into the vibe, Emma. I want to look cool. I want to look urban.
I see. Well, you certainly look different. I guess you know where we are going today?
You bet I do. Today, we are taking a bite out of the Big Apple. We are going to New York City.
That's right, the city that never sleeps, the concrete jungle.
Wait, the Big Apple? Emma, be honest with me. Do they actually grow apples there? Because I'm hungry.
No, Rahul. It is just a nickname. There are no apple orchards in Times Square, just skyscrapers and taxis.
Oh, that's disappointing. But that's okay. I'm ready for the bright lights.
Me too. But before we hail a taxi, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, if you want to speak English like a boss, please subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And click the like button. It helps us faster than a New York minute.
And share this episode with your friends who love movies, because New York is in every movie.
That is true. Okay, Rahul, let's imagine we just landed at JFK Airport. What's the first thing you notice about New York?
The noise. Honk, honk, sirens, people shouting.
Yes, it is very loud, and everyone is moving very fast.
Why are they running, Emma? Is Godzilla chasing them?
No, they're just New Yorkers. They walk fast, they talk fast, and they eat fast. If you walk slowly on the sidewalk, they get angry.
Oh no, I'm a slow walker. I like to look at the sky.
If you stop in the middle of the sidewalk, someone might yell, "Hey, I'm walking here."
I'm walking here. I will practice saying that. Hey buddy, move it. I'm walking here.
Perfect accent, Rahul. Now, how do we get around the city? Do we take the famous yellow taxis?
I want to take a taxi like in the movies. I will stick my hand up and whistle.
You can do that, but taxis are expensive. Most people take the subway.
The underground train?
Yes, it runs 24 hours a day. But Rahul, I have to warn you about the subway roommates.
Roommates? Who?
The rats.
Rats? Like Mickey Mouse?
No, not like Mickey. Big, gray rats. Sometimes they run on the tracks. There's even a famous video of a pizza rat carrying a slice of pizza.
Pizza rat? He sounds like my spirit animal. I love pizza too.
Speaking of pizza, that's the best part of New York, the New York slice.
Finally. In our Iceland episode, the food was expensive and rotten. How is the food in New York?
It's amazing, and the best part, you can get a huge slice of cheese pizza for $1.
$1? Emma, I'm moving to New York immediately.
Just $1. It's cheap, greasy, and delicious. You fold it in half and eat it while walking.
I can eat pizza and walk at the same time? This is the greatest city on earth.
There are also bagels with cream cheese, hot dogs on the street corner, and cheesecake.
Stop, you're making me drool. I need a napkin.
But be careful, Rahul. The pizza is cheap, but the hotels are very expensive.
Oh, how expensive?
A tiny room the size of a shoebox can cost $300 a night.
A shoebox? Where do I put my luggage?
You sleep on your luggage. Space is very limited in New York.
Okay, so I will eat cheap pizza, but I will sleep in a closet. Balance.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the sights. We have to see Times Square.
Yes, the giant screens, the lights. It looks like daytime, even at midnight.
It is very chaotic. Too many tourists. New Yorkers actually hate Times Square. They avoid it.
Really? But I want to take a selfie with the naked cowboy.
You can do that, and then we can go to Central Park.
Ah, the park. That's nice. Is it big?
It's huge. It's a giant green rectangle in the middle of the city. You can forget you're in a city.
Can I climb the Empire State Building like King Kong?
No, No climbing, Rahul. You can take the elevator to the top. The view is beautiful.
And the Statue of Liberty? She's a big lady.
She is, but honestly, she looks very small from far away. You have to take a boat to see her up close.
I get seasick on boats. Maybe I'll just wave at her from the shore. Hi, Lady Liberty.
That works too. So, Rahul, do you think you could live in New York?
I don't know. I like the pizza, but I don't like the rats, and I walk too slow.
You would have to learn to speed up.
Move it, buddy. See, I'm learning.
You are. Well, our taxi is here to take us back to reality. Let's do a recap for our listeners.
Let's break it down New York style.
First, the pace. New York is fast. Walk fast, don't block the sidewalk, and mind your own business.
Second, the food. The glorious dollar slice pizza and bagels, cheap and tasty.
Third, the subway. It's convenient and runs all night, but watch out for the heat and the rats.
Fourth, the cost. Food can be cheap, but hotels and rent are super expensive.
And finally, the attitude. Be confident. If you can make it there, you can make it anywhere.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today.
Great singing, Rahul. But before we end the show, we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to know your travel style. In the comments below, tell us, would you rather visit a quiet nature spot like Iceland or a busy, loud city like New York?
Ooh, good choice. Do you want peace and quiet or energy and noise?
And pizza. Don't forget the pizza.
Tell us in English. We read every comment.
So, please write to us and remember to subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Thanks for joining us in the Big Apple today.
See you in the next episode. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
I'm walking here.